Without opening anything right now, how much confirmed revenue do you have coming in this month? What about next month? And what's currently in your pipeline that's realistically going to convert? Now, if those answers took more than 30 seconds to arrive at, or if you're not completely confident in them, that's your finance layer telling you it needs work. Hi, I'm Chris Ray, and this is layer 4 of the business operating system, finance. Why financial visibility matters more than most founders realize. When you don't have clear visibility on your revenue and pipeline, you make decisions based on how you feel rather than what the numbers are saying. If you feel busy, you assume things are fine. Then an invoice comes in late, a project ends, and suddenly the next 6 weeks look thin. Or you feel cautious, so you hold back on investment. But your pipeline is strong and you actually have room to grow. Neither of those decisions was wrong, given what you knew, but both would have been different with better information. Good financial visibility doesn't require a finance background or complex accounting software. It requires a system that shows you a small number of things clearly and keeps itself up to date. What the finance layer covers. Automated invoicing, so invoices are generated and sent at the right time without manual effort. When a project reaches the billing milestone, the invoice goes out automatically. Payment tracking, a clear record of what's been invoiced and what's been paid and what's still outstanding. So you're not chasing payments you've forgotten to chase, and you always know who owes what. Revenue forecasting, a forward view of expected income based on your current pipeline and agreed contracts. Not a guess, a structured projection built from real data. The pipeline to income view, the connection between your sales pipeline in Pipedrive and your actual revenue in Notion and delivery. So when a deal moves to one, it immediately appears in your revenue picture. No manual data entry, no lag. The monthly revenue log, a running record of revenue by month. So you always have an accurate, comparable history, not just a current snapshot. How this works technically. The finance layer runs across Make.com and Notion connected to Pipedrive. So a deal is won in Pipedrive. Make.com creates a revenue record in Notion automatically. An invoice due date arrives. Make.com triggers the invoice to go out. Or an invoice goes overdue, and so a payment reminder is triggered. The first of the month, a monthly revenue log entry is created. The data is always current because the system updates it as things happen rather than waiting for you to log in and update it manually. The pipeline to income connection. The most powerful part of the finance layer for businesses is the pipeline to income view. It connects your sales activity directly to your revenue forecast. Most businesses track these separately. Sales pipeline in one place, invoicing in another, revenue in a spreadsheet somewhere. The finance layer treats them as a single picture. When you're looking at a deal in Pipedrive, you can see exactly how it contributes to your revenue for that month. When you look at your revenue tracker in Notion, you can see the breakdown of where each number came from. That's the information you need to make real decisions about business development, hiring, investment, and growth. What changes when this layer is working? You stop being surprised by your own numbers, You stop having to chase outstanding invoices manually. You stop making capacity decisions based on how busy you feel rather than what the pipeline is actually showing you. Instead, you know, and knowing changes how you run the business. In the next video, Layer 5, Knowledge, we're going to talk about how to make sure the business doesn't rely on any one person's memory. I'll see you in the next video.